Hello everyone, welcome to Whippanong Library's New Jersey Makers Day. Today we're going to be making our own 3D paper flowers. So the things that you will need are a pair of scissors, a glue stick, your sheet with 1.5-inch strips, or you can resize that as you'd like, and your little center of your flower. Now first you're going to cut your strips out. Next, you're going to glue your strips together. They're going to end up in a snowflake, so you want to glue each petal to each other, like I'm about to show you. And you want to just kind of go around in a circle so you will get that snowflake star pattern when it's all glued together. Next, you're going to glue all the strips to the center of your flower. Again, you're going around making in that same snowflake pattern, except this time you're going to get a flower at the end of it. So the last part is to cut out your flower centers. You have three pre-traced flower centers to cut out, so you don't have to freehand like I'm doing right now. And then you're going to glue that center to the center of your 3D flower. There are so many fun ways to do different kinds of 3D flowers. This is one of my favorite crafts because it's so simple and so decorative. So you can do thin strips, you can do long strips, you can do fewer strips than I did. I have the purple flower is with 6 strips. You can do more, as you see the blue and red one. There are just so many ways to do this. So have fun.